Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to be looking at 7 days EA. He's an MT4 expert advisor from the MQ5 market, priced around 149 bucks, and the developer Mikhail Vorobyev from Russia presents it as a fully automated grid system built specifically for three currency pairs: Australian Canadian dollar, Australian New Zealand dollar, and New Zealand Canadian dollar. But before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Let's see what the developer actually claims on the product page. They describe it as a complete grid system that you can install on the chart of whichever pair you want to trade, and it handles everything from there. They provide 10 preset set files for each of those three pairs, so you've got options to load depending on how aggressive or conservative you want to be. The money management defaults they list are pretty clear: 0.01 lots per $1,000 in the account. They can trade up to 2 currency pairs simultaneously. The lot size increases up to 4, with a maximum starting lot of 0.5 and maximum lot of 5. You also mentioned you need to set your broker's time correctly for it to work, as you can see here. On the performance side, let's move to where the developer points to a real account signal they call 7 days and states it delivered more than 4,500% in 3 years of work. Let's go over to the signal and check it out. I'm going over to the link they put on the page. You see that MQ5 can't recognize it as the signal is not found in the database. The developer states that past results don't guarantee future results and that the EA can take loss, which is the standard disclaimer. But the head number they put front and center is that multi-year real account growth figure. If we go over to the page, the pictures they posted on the page, we can see the signal here, though it's a bit concerning that the signal link was not working. But let's go over what they said. Profit trades 73.6%, trading activity 52.9, maximum drawdown on 54.9, which is pretty high. They deposited $400 with a 2140 bucks profits and deposits of $926 later on. If we zoom in, they tested the EA on Australian Canadian dollars on the 4-hour time frame and modeling every tick based on real tick. Now the profit factor of 3.38. Now let's compare this to what I actually got on my backtest results on MT4. As you can see here, Australian Canadian dollar with a 1-year historical backtest on the Australian Canadian dollar. Every tick just as they claim on the H4 period. Let's go over to the equity curve. Looking at it, it shows a generally upward path with a few noticeable dips along the way. Also stretches where the balance and equity pull apart a bit during recovery periods, which is typical for this style of system. And they come back together as we see later on once the grid closes out. One of the larger single losing trades in the test was a 0.40 lot position that dropped about $105, which lines up with the lot scaling behavior the developer describes. Now, the net profit for this backtest with the initial deposit of 10K came to about $41.58. Our profit factor is at 3.38, which is pretty high, to be honest. Had a gross factor of 59.54 and a gross loss of 17.95. Now, if we are looking at the drawdown, see our drawdown is less than what they claimed. So it's a good thing, to be honest, to have a lesser drawdown, especially for prop firm traders. And that's about it. If we compare that to the developer's claim, our backtest is solid on the number side for a single pair over 1 year. It's a much more modest result than the multi-thousand% signal figure they highlight. The 27% drawdown is something you have to be comfortable with, and the high short bias plus the progressive lot increase are exactly what you expect on the grid plus lot increase approach they advertise. Realistically, this is a great system with lots recovery, and on historical data for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, it produced steady gains. That's 27% drawdown. But the thing is, this system live and die by how long the market stays in range or mild trend. Strong one directional moves on the commodity currencies can load the grid quickly. The high win rate and profit factor look attractive, but they come with the usual grid characteristic. Floating loss that need time and price to recover is based purely on historical performance, so live results will depend on market conditions, spread, and how you configure those risk parameters. And who is this actually for? It's for traders who already understand grade risk, have enough capital relative to the lot size, and can see through 25 to 30% drawdowns without shutting it off. If you prepare systems with hard stops and lower peak to throw swings, this probably isn't the right fit. Now, if you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robot you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free MT4 and MT5 robots with the indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.